Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, I am going to be showing you how to make use of the hooded trader indicator for MT4. Alright, so the first step is to download the indicator from the description below. After downloading the indicator, then you head over to your data folder. Of course, you will need to decompress the file that you downloaded from the description below. After decompressing the file, then you take the EX4 or MQL4 file and paste in here. After which you head back to your navigator and just right click and refresh. Okay, having done that, you should see the hooded trader indicator. Drag and drop to your chart. Ensure that the allow data imports box is checked, and then for your input settings, you can customize the settings according to your taste. Okay, so the indicator seems to be taking long to finish loading. So we're just going to be looking at this image to understand how the indicator functions. So now the hooded trader indicator, as we can see, helps you to identify the prevailing momentum in the market at a particular time. All right, you can see that when the indicator changes color to red, and is below this line, it shows that there is bearish momentum in the market. And then when the color changes to blue and is above the line, it shows that there is bullish momentum in the markets. But it's always important to get confirmations before you execute any trade. Do not trade with an amount that you cannot afford to lose, and do not over leverage. All right, use proper lot sizing and pay attention to candlestick patterns, chart patterns, as additional confluence, of course. So if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, this might be a good time to do that. And don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.